Hi, welcome. Today what we are doing means the review of Ather 450X. Already we told Ather 450X the Women's Day, March 8th came to our home as a guest. You can watch this vehicle. This is Ather 450X series, the latest version. It came on 8th, today is 10th. The third day, the guest came our home. And now today what we are doing means we are giving a review about this vehicle. In our condition means we will give a honest review. The 3 days we used this vehicle. Today is the third day. Today morning also, because last 2 days we done city ride, everything short ride we done, and today morning around 6 a.m. we went a ride to KR-Puram, that ring road, and we went around 45 kilometer up and down, and we tried all the mode power, and now we are giving our the review means I want to tell you friends, this is only strictly what I experienced with this vehicle, that we are telling. One thing also, we are not comparing with any other vehicle, because each and every vehicle has its own dignity and its own plus and minus, everything is there. That's why we are not means we can't tell that vehicle this way. We are not comparing, we are only strictly telling what we felt with this vehicle. First I will tell the little bit structure about this vehicle. What is this vehicle? This is 450X latest version. This vehicle means this is the what I want to tell about this vehicle. This is the India's first smartest and intelligent and environment friendly and cute and stylish electric scooter. This is called 450, Ather 450X. Okay. Then first we are starting with the features. What we understand, that we are telling, we have that much knowledge of yo-yo something, that we are telling means what we understand. The normal people can understand what that I understand in my little knowledge, what I felt with this vehicle, that I am sharing. This vehicle is on-road price is 1,65,000. 450X on-road price is 1,65,000, and other one model is there 450 plus, that is 1,45,000 on-road in Bangalore price. Around 20,000 is the variation. The variation means little bit difference is there. The difference means the power. Okay, this is giving 85, that is giving only 70 for the full charge. And the other thing means 0 to 40 kilometer speed we want to go means this will take only 3.3 seconds, but the plus will take 3.9 seconds. And the other is the peak power. Peak power is 5.4 kilowatt in 450 plus, in this vehicle 6 kilowatt. And other thing means the speed of charging. In 10 minutes 10 kilometer will charge the 450 plus, but the X means 15 kilometer we can ride within 10 minute charge. That is the difference. One difference means no Bluetooth, no voice calls, and no musical. These things are not there in 450 plus, but everything is settled with this vehicle. It is fully loaded vehicle. And the first thing means, if you are asking how many kilometer we can go through one full battery charge, that is the main thing we will think about that. Now we are explaining only about 450X that we experienced. We ride this vehicle only, and that's why we are telling about the review about this vehicle only. This vehicle we can ride. This vehicle has 4 mode is there. Riding mode. Mode means each mode has the different power it will come. Okay, the full charge of the vehicle we can ride in eco mode, that I will show you once. Now I own the vehicle. This is eco mode. Now already we run little bit. This eco mode, it will run around 85 kilometer. Okay, then the other mode it will come eco mode. Then the next mode is ride mode, and also it will come ride mode, it will come 70 kilometer. And then one other mode is sport mode. That sport mode, it will come 60 kilometer. And the last mode and powerful mode is warp mode. That warp mode, it will run around 50 kilometer full charge. This is the different. Each mode will give the kilometer. Means the first eco mode 85, then the second ride mode, this is more powerful than eco mode, that will give 70, and more than ride sport mode, it will give 60, and the most powerful mode of this vehicle is warp, that it will give 50, the full charge of the vehicle. That is the different 4 type of modes are there. The mode means what is means the torque. The most efficient scooter with the torque, this is 26 Newton meter is the torque. 26 Newton meter is the torque of the 450X vehicle, but in 450 plus only 22 Newton meter is the torque power. Torque power means the pushing, that power of the engine. Okay, one thing I want to tell about the vehicle means this vehicle fully all light are LED lights are there. The lights are also all light are LED. Yeah. This vehicle or one thing means this is the main attraction is the 7-inch TFT touch screen. This is one of the important part. 7-inch TFT touch screen. Inside this touch screen, this is like a small computer like. This is inside this we have a 4G connectivity is there, SIM we can attach with that, and we will get an Aether app also. We can connect with this, and the modes, everything is in touch, and also Android type facility is there. That everything we can control with this TFT monitor, touch screen monitor. That is the main attraction. If we are showing this vehicle means it's very attractive in this TFT. And other one thing means this is a park assistant is there. In this vehicle we have a park assistant. You can come if we want to. It's a reverse mode. What is happening means if we are putting this, I will show you once what is the park assistance means. If we can start the vehicle. Now I will start the vehicle, simple touch. Then this park assistance is the one of the main attraction. If we can touch with this park assistant, what is happening here? Now we can touch the river. If you are giving accelerator, you will show. If you are giving accelerator means vehicle will go back. This is the park assistance. If we are parking our vehicle in slope, not in the normal place, sometimes we are also suffering to take back and reverse something. This is park assistance is there. You can simple touch park assistance. Opening that park assistance, you can reverse with this park assistance only. You can reverse the vehicle. Okay, that is the one of the important feature in this. Now starting the vehicle also a simple touch is there. If you want to start the vehicle on this and देखो simple touch, this only the vehicle will move. It's a simple touch only. You can move the vehicle. And also one thing, this is side stand. Side stand have sensor is there. If the side stand is on means the vehicle, if we are side stand mode, you can see watch this side please. In side stand mode, you can watch. Side stand is on means the vehicle not start. If the side stand is removed, we will remove, then the vehicle can start. That is the one of the main thing in this vehicle. And now we will watch the boot space. The boot space of the vehicle is 22 liter capacity is there. The boot we want to open means here only. We can just give back and we can open this. Okay? We can put a full helmet inside and few things we can. So 22 liter capacity of the cabin, and this is a small LED light is also there for this vehicle. This is a comfortable one thing. We are keeping our bags, everything in this. And the next about the tire. Tire means 12-inch MRF tire is there. That is a tubeless tire. So MRF tubeless tire is using. It's a 12-inch tire. After the tire means the brake. The brake, both front and back brake both are disc brake. Front is telescopic suspension and back is monoshock suspension. Front telescopic, back monoshock suspension. Both are disc brake and tubeless tire, 12-inch. They are using MRF tires. It's comfortable. We ride in the potholes, normal roads, everything we tried. It's a comfortable and no shake, nothing. One thing, we ride with the pillion only. Myself rided. Me and she. We both are riding, that's why we both sit and we tried. All ride we done with the pillion. Her only, and I asked her also what is the comfort with the back side. She is also satisfied with this vehicle. And what is the next? Or one thing, the chassis is in aluminium. And battery is lithium ion battery. Battery is below the footrest. The footrest ka niche below the footrest battery is there. It is a waterproof battery. So we don't worry about the water. The waterproof battery is there. And I tried. Now I am telling about how I felt with this vehicle. We ride all mode: eco mode, ride mode, sport mode, warp mode, everything I ride. It's a powerful vehicle. Okay, what I am telling means my type of people can't use this vehicle. That I am telling. And we tried all the mode. We checked with that all mode is okay. Eco mode, because in our home all age people can use this vehicle. Means in normal speed we want to go, means eco mode is comfortable with the city ride, because up to 52 km/h speed we can use in eco mode, and the ride mode it will come around 62 km/h we can, that power will come. And sport mode up to 80 km speed we can ride, and the last warp mode, most powerful mode, we can ride up to 90 km/h. That we checked all thing, that power is comfortable with this vehicle. And one thing we want to, we tried with the highways, city ride, everything, but in I think the city ride maximum we can use eco mode and ride mode only. More than sport mode and warp mode is not suitable for that. But we mostly ride that KR Puram road, ring road, okay. All thing we can try with that. In our experience with this vehicle, for a short ride and city ride, it's a most comfortable vehicle. Or next thing means the cost means you can tell with that. This is 450X. Now we are telling this is on road price is 1,65,000. Okay, that the rate everything you will check with, because each and everyone has their own opinion, that is depends upon you. But we are telling the company what they are charging, what we are telling. The other thing means this vehicle want a registration, because this is a most powerful electric scooter. That's why we want a registration, insurance, everything we want to done for this vehicle. That is the main thing for this one, because this is a 26 Newton meter power is there, this vehicle torque is there. That's why. Or one thing, the company is giving, if you are taking this vehicle means 3 attachment is there, means they will give a charging dot, Aether dot karke you will get a charging port, and other thing 3-year warranty for the motor, means the vehicle you will get 3-year warranty, and battery also you will get a 3-year warranty. And one thing means one that safety option is there, because buyback guarantee with the company. After 3 years or 30,000 kilometer, you can return this vehicle. You have an option is there, buyback. The company will buy this vehicle from you. They will give for this 450X 85,000 after 3 years or 30,000. That is they given the charge. Okay, this I think in our type means long ride people can't use, means the charging that issue is there. But the short ride means the city ride, nowadays the petrol charge everything you know about that, around 94 rupees something, around 94 rupees 48 paise. Now I don't know, the changed. So the petrol hike, so this vehicle is comfortable for the daily user, city ride user. More than 85-90 kilometer, 95 means it's a little bit problem per day. But within 85 eco mode you can use, and the other mode you can check with your usage only. That is the main thing we experienced with this vehicle. And what anything is missing we want to tell. It's a good, means a look also good, because last 3 days we are using, we are riding through the road, few people are okay watching what is this, which is this vehicle, and we felt the plus all we told about that, we felt little bit minus means the long ride we can't use the charging tension that we are, but you make it as a routine. Night we will put in charger and you can use. That is the one thing we can do. That is the negative, the symbol minus we felt that we are a long riding riders and we can't use this vehicle. That is one feeling. The other one thing I want to tell you feel means, I think that is my only opinion, means the sticker is very small about the Aether. But I am, yeah, it's my opinion, little bigger sticker is attractive for this vehicle. Because people are asking and want to check, means okay, small, okay, everything is there. But in my opinion, little bit, थोड़ा और बड़ा स्टिकर स्टाइल में लगाना अच्छा लगता है, थोड़ा देखने में लिए स्टाइल के लिए. द बालन एवरीथिंग वी हैव नो कंप्लेंट, नथिंग. इट्स ए पावरफुल, क्यूट, स्मॉलेस्ट and intelligent electric scooter in our side. You can use in city rides. It's a comfortable vehicle. That is our opinion about this vehicle. Balance everything up. Or one thing I forget, if you are comparing with the petrol charge and this vehicle, that is the one thing I missed. Because this vehicle in eco mode full charge it will give 85. Okay, city ride, eco mode, okay, ride mode, okay, eco ride is okay, comfort. What is the change means? This will give, it will took for the full charge around 3 unit. Company is telling for the full charge of the vehicle. In nowadays in Bangalore means more than 200 unit we are using, means the charge will come per unit around 750 to 815. So that wise we are thinking means the 3 unit it will charge around 24 rupees. But in 24 rupees we can ride 85 kilometer with this vehicle. In petrol vehicle means around the same per liter normal in city ride around 40 we will get. So 2 liter petrol we want to ride the same 85 kilometer means around it will come 190 rupees. That is the difference. The 190 rupees we can ride 85 kilometer in petrol scooter. In this scooter 24 rupees we can use, means around 28 something paisa per kilometer will come for this vehicle. The petrol vehicle it will come 2 rupees 48 38 40 paisa. That is the difference. What we are telling, balance everything depends upon you, your riding experience, your how much you want to travel, everything, and how much you can invest, everything is depends upon you. What I felt with the vehicle, that I told, just keep watching our videos. This is a 100% better electric scooter. First time we are riding the electric scooter. We have no experience with other vehicle. Only petrol scooter we ride. I don't know about the electric scooter. Last 2-3 days we ride with this vehicle. It's a perfect electric scooter for the city ride. Anything we missed?
Loan facility.
Yeah. Buyback guarantee I already told you will get 85,000 after 3 years and completing 30,000 kilometer, and all loan facilities are there that you can contact with the Ather showroom in Bangalore. I think the Indira Nagar showroom we went, so you can contact any nearby your Ather showroom. Okay, normal ride is perfect vehicle for that. Thank you friends, keep watching our video, must subscribe our channel. Or one thing I want to tell you, we are not compelling anybody to subscribe our channel or like our Facebook page, because we are only requesting. Choice is yours. You are interested with our videos, you can subscribe or like our page. We are not compelling anybody, don't misunderstand us. That is our we want to request, that is we are doing our duty, but everything depends upon you. If you only one thing we want to request, if you are interested to help us means only subscribe our channel Dr. Srilekha. That is the main important thing. So please try to understand our thing, our side also. Thank you friends, keep watching our video. Thank you. Let's go to the showroom and we will show the other colors and some inbuilt story we will tell about that. Let's go. Yeah, now we dropped our guest to the Indira Nagar showroom and just we are showing the 3 colors. The 3 color is available in Ather. This is the mint color. This I like this color. And the other one is the white color, and the third one is the grey color, and one other color is there, that is a special edition that is not available now. Okay, and we will check the skeleton later. Now you can watch without makeup, means the skeletal form of this 450 X or plus, both same. Interior, the chassis is aluminium. You can watch 2 belt they are using for the powerful drive, moving. This is the interior. Now we are completed these things and we are stopping this video here. Please watch our full video and share and support us.